Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. Nowhere I'd rather be than right here with you. If you're feeling a bit stressed, worried, anxious, lonely, depressed, tired, perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone. Know that it's okay to not feel okay from time to time. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust, back to love, back to ourselves, and all of the beauty that we carry inside, all of the blessings that we already have inside. That being said, getting comfortable, becoming aware of your posture, becoming aware of your space, aware of your surroundings. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into the sound, into the sensation of touch. Listening with your body, listening with your heart. Relaxing your shoulders, dropping the shoulders away from the ears. Feeling the breath drop down from the chest into the belly. Relaxing the hands and feet. Relaxing the face. Letting go of tension in the jaw. Relaxing the forehead, top of the head, back of the head, feeling your head relaxing as you come into the heart. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go. Full body, every cell breathing in. And every cell in your body exhaling, releasing, letting go. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, opening your chest. Breathing in trust. And exhaling, letting go of fear. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body as you return back into trust. Recognizing that trust is a superpower. Trusting yourself, trusting others, trusting this life. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, letting go of any anger inside. Feeling all anger leave the mind, leave the body. Returning to compassion, to patience, to tolerance, to acceptance, to appreciation. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out your mouth. Breathing in some joyfulness. Exhale, letting go of sadness. My friend, the past is past. The future is a mystery. And the present is a gift. Coming back into the gift of this moment, unlike any other moment thus far. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling fully and completely. And exhale, letting go, softening the face. Opening your heart. Inhaling slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Having love for your body as it is. Having love for your thoughts and emotion as they are. Having love for your path and all of the challenges and opportunities. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale out. If your mind has been wanting to think, I want you to let your mind be totally free to think. And letting go of thoughts, returning home to yourself with the sound of the bell. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. For a few moments, I want you to bring all your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming your thoughts and any sensations that you feel. Observing your inner world very gently, very lovingly, just for a few moments. And letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, back into your posture. Way to stick with it, my friend. So happy to have you joining me today. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in forgiveness. Exhale, letting go of pain. negativity, letting go of insecurity, coming back into trust as you breathe in kindness. Exhale, letting go of the inner critic, feeling any shame and guilt. Leave the mind, leave the body. As you come back into your own inner beauty, your own inner light. Breathing in 3 times. Exhaling 3 times. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. The color for today is yellow. The number is 2 million, and the animal is an elephant, a gentle giant. Let your heart be like a gentle giant today, spreading love first to yourself, recognizing that you're deserving of love despite mistakes. You're deserving of forgiveness. Know that forgiveness is the way to more love. The compassion for the pain can open up the doors for your heart to share more lovingly, more openly. Taking one more deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Thank you so much for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love on your path. Don't let fear guide your path. Fear is never a good guide. Always, when we follow fear, lead us to more suffering. So be aware when you're making a decision today out of fear versus out of love. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.